The costs are tending to increase, so whatever you're looking at today is probably going to cost more tomorrow. Interest rates are at a really, really low stage. This might be the golden time to finance a home. And also there is a restricted supply. If you're looking at the best communities and the best locations with the best views, there's not too much more of this getting created.
I've seen a lot of people regret not making decisions such as buying a new home based on questions in the market that may or may not ever develop. If you're able to buy now, buy now. The opportunity to live your life without putting things on hold because you just don't know, and it's a brand new home, and when you walk in the front door you will never say, I wish I had waited.
You want the best home site, you want the best location, and if you don't get it now, someone else is going to get it.
We really have something for everyone. We have completed homes that are move-in ready right now. It's a great opportunity to come down, see what's available. We just would hate to see somebody miss out on a home that could be the perfect fit for them, really. As history tells us, things that are nice and well done and in great locations are typically scooped up pretty quickly. So no better time than to come down now and look.